A top seller in its category, here's another microwave you might want to consider. What makes this one from Samsung great and noteworthy is all the features. Thanks to vapor sensing technology, it can automatically adjust the cooking time based on how quickly the food is heating up in there. It's also got an easy-to-clean ceramic enamel interior, so if you do happen to make a mess in there, you can effortlessly remove the grease or oil with a cloth. 3 microwave distribution points help food cook more evenly and thoroughly. The microwave has a modern design, and striking ice blue LEDs add style to your kitchen. Displays settings and times in large and highly visible text for greater cooking convenience. And easy-to-use dial control allows you to add or decrease time while it's cooking, adding convenience and precision. Overall, it's a bit bigger in terms of dimensions and weight, but if you have room for it, perhaps it's worth the money you'll save, since this one is with an affordable price. The 1.1 cubic foot capacity of this microwave accommodates a variety of snacks and meal items and lets you prepare foods quickly and easily. Customers love the modern look of it and say that it works great and is very user-friendly.